my channel. So as I promised that I'll come up with my birthday vlog. So now here I am, and today is the 9th August and it's 11 p.m. in the clock right now. So it's my birthday just in 1 hour. I can't believe this. Okay, so I'm ready right now, and actually for last few years me and my brother, we like cut the cake right at 12 a.m. sharp. So that's why now I'm gonna go and help my mom and brother arrange all the stuffs. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you the celebration.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Follow me and me please. Happy birthday to you. ওদেরকে দেখি
Happy birthday to me, guys. So guys, it's 10th August morning now. So I'm already done with my breakfast and also took my shower. So now I'll get ready and also show you guys the full get ready with me video. So let's quickly get started. So guys, let's get quickly ready for the occasion. Oh, first of all, let me show you my birthday t-shirt. As you can see, it says Queens are born on August 10. Well, I got this like 3 years back from a random website at Facebook, and I'm loving it, and since then I always wear this t-shirt on my birthday. It's like my birthday t-shirt. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to use a primer. So I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I'm going to take a little amount in my hand and put it in dots all over. Well, as you can see, this new mirror, my brother got this for me. I guess he clearly knows that I'm obsessed about mirror, and so that's why he got this mirror and customized this whole thing all by himself. He wrote the name of my channel, Polo Perry, as you can see. I really love this gift a lot because I really wanted a cute mirror and he got this for me. So thank you, bro. Now I'm going to use a foundation. So I'll be using the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, and it's in the shade 02 Very Vanilla. I'm going to take a little amount in my hand and then put it all over in dots over my face. Now I'm going to use a concealer. So I'll be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and it's in the shade Honey. So I'm going to use the concealer at the areas, like the darker areas, under my eye, or if I have any black spots. Well guys, this might not be a very detailed makeup video because it's just the part of a vlog. Well, I'm gonna do detailed makeup videos, so that video is gonna come up in my channel in upcoming next videos. So yeah, stay tuned to see those. Now I'm gonna blend it over all with a beauty blender. So now I'm going to use a loose powder. For that, I'll use the Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact. So next up, I'm going to use a kajal. So I'll be using the Lakme Iconic Kajal. So now I'm going to do the eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to use an eyeshadow palette. Well, this is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, but it's actually not the original one. This one I got from a flea market. Actually, I got this palette in my initial days, like 2 years back when I started loving makeup and I started doing it. So I went and got my hands on this, and that's why I didn't know much about the makeup stuffs. So I went to a flea market and then this guy told me कि दीदी दीदी ये ले लो, सस्ते में आपको दे रही हूँ, बाकी वहाँ पे आप लोगों को लूटते हैं, ज़्यादा पैसे लेते हैं. So I just got into his trap and bought this one. But the colors present here is not bad and I've been using it, so that's why I'll use this one. So I can't recommend you guys this palette, but instead I'll put up the link to the original one in my description box so you guys can check that out. So I'm gonna use this shade right over here. Now I'll be using this orange type shade and I'll use it like at the outer corners. I'll drag the brush from the outer corner to the inside. Now I'm going to use this red shade, this darker shade over here. Next up, I'll be using this brown shade. Now for the inner corner, I'll be using a light shade, so I'll go for this yellowish golden shade. Now I'm gonna take this golden shade with my hand only, a little amount, and just put this at the middle like this and blend it all over. Now I'm gonna take this silver whitish shade over here, a little amount in my hand, in this another finger, and then just put it overlapping the golden color a little bit amount, and then just blend it. It's a little, I've just added some colors and a little bit amount of shimmer with it. It's coordinating with my outfit. Yeah. So now next I'll be using an eyeliner. For that I'll be using the Black Magic liquid liner by Nykaa and it's in the shade 01 Black. So now next I'll be using my mascara. So I'll be using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara and it's in the shade Black. So next I'll be using a blush. For that I'll be using the Maybelline New York Fit Me blush and it's in the shade Pink. So now next I'm going to use a highlighter. For that I'll be using the Maybelline New York Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter Illuminating Metallic Color. This highlighter is like really good. It's not very pricey, but it does the work. Like it illuminates your face. So in case people who doesn't have a highlighter brush, for that you're gonna use the big fat brush and like press it like this and then take an amount of the highlighter and apply it at the more defined areas of your face, like here. Just look at the glow. You can use it nose area. This is the reason why highlighter is like one of my most favorite, because just look, it gives such a glow to your face. It makes you look pretty. So now next I'm gonna use a lip liner. So I'll be using this one, the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie Lip and Fill Lip Liner, and it's in the shade 02 Pillow Fight. I'm gonna show you. This is the one my brother gifted me on Rakhi, so I'll use this one. Thanks to him. So now I'm gonna use a bold lipstick. I'll go for red lips, and for that I'll be using the Maybelline New York lipstick, and this one is in the shade 690 Siren in Scarlet. I'm gonna show you the shade. Has quite a dark texture and it can give you a very bold red lips, so I'm going to use this one for today because it's an occasion. has a very matte finish, as you can see. So matte lovers, you can try this out, and it's also not very expensive, so you can definitely get your hands on this lipstick. So yeah, I guess I'm ready now, so I'll get my hair done and dress up and then show you the final look. So guys, as you can see, this is my birthday outfit. I am just loving this red jumpsuit, and now I'm ready to party. Oh, you will look good in your outfit.
Thank you.
Nice. So basically, where are we going?
We're going nowhere.
So yeah, we are ready to go nowhere. We're just gonna stay at home and enjoy. So now it's lunchtime, and we're gonna have some really delicious food.
Yes, this is the favorite part of the day for me because I get to eat so many items today.
And especially the sweets. So we're gonna show you guys all the dishes that we're gonna have today. At least you can enjoy them while looking. So let's go. Guys, just have a look at this beautiful traditional Bengali food that we're gonna have today. There are a number of dishes like from rice, pulao, chicken, fish, paneer, all sorts of food are there. I know it's very yummy and it's very tasty. Okay, here comes my mother again with sweets. Hi mom. And here is my cook Seema auntie. She did a hell lot of job in making all this delicious food. And just look at this wonderful dish. This is called Dab Chingri. This is a very famous Bengali dish and it's really yummy. Actually, this dish, as you can see here, this one is the Dab Chingri. We have taken the stuff from inside and kept it over here. Just have a look. Oh my god, this dab chingri is really so yummy. I love it. My cook, she's like really makes delicious food. Well, for the last 3 months, I've been working out like really hell lot and I've burned a lot of calories. So now it's time to earn some. Guys, guess what? My neighbors got me another cake. So me and my brother are gonna cut that cake and of course show you guys. And here comes another cake. Thank you so much Sonal for bringing it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, it's a cake. So yeah guys, that's almost like the end of the day and I hope that you guys liked my birthday vlog. Well, it's my first vlog and so that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below anything and whatever you feel like asking me, or if you have any questions or doubts. And if you want to be a part of my YouTube family, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. Well, I'm gonna meet you guys very soon in my next video, and till then, stay tuned. Bye!